Let's go ahead and unbag the small barbecue board. To start with, I've actually got a 16 by 18 inch board, and we're gonna go ahead and start building this board with all of the products that you get from Dickeys. So I've got the small board unbagged, and I have 3 different meats, a 1/3 pound of each, and here I've got pulled pork, brisket, and turkey. Comes with onions, pickles, barbecue sauce, coleslaw, potato salad, yeast rolls. I've got that casserole with the cream spinach and the Parmesan over the top. This is gonna make a great dip. Also some pickled jalapenos, cheese, and this is it. This is the small barbecue board. We unpacked the medium board, and it includes a 1/2 pound of each meat, and we've got 3 different meats. So it's 1.5 pounds of meat for the barbecue board. It includes barbecue sauce, coleslaw, potato salad, pickles, onions, and yeast rolls. We cut these in half so we can make sliders out of them. It includes cheese that you can put on top of your slider or just snack on, and then the cream spinach casserole that we're gonna add some chips to. So we have a dip, pickled jalapenos, and this is the medium barbecue board. We've unbagged the large barbecue board, and we've got 3/4 pound of brisket, 3/4 pound of our sliced kielbasa, and 3/4 pound of our pulled slow smoked pork. Because this is a large board, I've got 2 14 by 18 inch boards, and I've offset them. One's a little bit higher, and also it's slight angle, just to add a little more dimension to this board. I've taken the cream spinach and the Parmesan cheese, and I put that into a bakerable casserole dish, and I've baked that under a broiler for about 8 to 9 minutes on this large one. And we've got coleslaw and potato salad and barbecue sauce. We've also got our pickled jalapenos, and then cheddar cheese that we've cut into quarters, and then yeast rolls that I've cut in half that I can make sliders with out of all this great product. So I've got our rolls, but then I've added some apples and more cheese, mustard, and fruit. Everything that you can pick up with your hand and go through. Fruit bread, and with that pulled pork or sausage with a little bit of mustard on it, that's a great combination. Add some sharp cheese or Gouda to it. Again, really unique. For the sliders, have some fun with it. Pulled pork, a little bit of potato salad. Might sound crazy. It's actually really good with some cheese on there and a touch of mustard. It's a really unique sandwich.
Dickeys, legit Texas barbecue since 1941. Order today at dickeys.com.